Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, February 2nd, 2018. And it is going to be a very cold and windy day today. We had a cold front move through this morning that produced some rain and snow showers. Not much in the way of accumulation, but it definitely made the roadways a bit slick and will continue to do so through this afternoon as temperatures are going to be free falling through the 30s, 20s, and teens as cold air builds in. Basically, we have already seen our highs for today. They were around 4 a.m., about lower to mid 30s, and ever since then they've been falling and will continue to fall throughout the day today as cold air builds in. The good news is that skies will start to clear, and with this northwesterly wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour this afternoon, it'll dry out the atmosphere a bit and also the ground, reducing that black ice threat that is in place right now. On the surface map, cold front is pushing off the coast, high pressure is taking hold, and we will have tranquil weather conditions, although chilly, starting this evening going on through tomorrow to kick off the weekend. Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday, it'll be a little bit stormy, certainly some rain and snow on the way, but for the most part, if you're looking for accumulating snowfall, look towards the interior, specifically the Poconos. Everywhere else, pretty much a rain event for the region. On the radar, you can see the rain and snow pushing off the coast and exiting the region. We could still see a few flurries and snow showers through this afternoon as cold air streams off the Great Lakes and pushes into the northern mid-Atlantic. So again, don't be surprised to see a passing snow flurry, but no real accumulations expected. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see the cold cloud tops are rapidly leaving the region, and what is to follow is basically scattered cloud cover thereafter. Again, that cold air moving over the Great Lakes, picking up some of that moisture and depositing it over the region, which is why there's that threat for a few flurries. But overall, this afternoon, as far as cloud cover is concerned, won't be all that bad. Now let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, the cold front goes way off the coast. High pressure takes control. Watch out for that northwesterly wind and wind chills as temperatures will basically be falling through the 20s, leading to wind chills in the teens and single digits. So certainly bundle up and use caution. For tonight, those winds will start to slacken off as high pressure starts to move right over the region. Look for lows in the mid to upper teens. High pressure pushes off the coast tomorrow afternoon. That's going to lead to a developing southwesterly wind and temperatures warming up into the lower to mid 30s. Now, the fact this high pressure system is moving off the coast is very important because that allows the boundary layer, the surface, and the mid levels of the atmosphere to steadily warm tomorrow evening all the way on through Sunday morning. As a result, as this low pressure system starts to get its act together and head towards the mid-Atlantic coast, and this low pressure system weakens and basically merges with this low, the initial development of snow over the region will rapidly change over the rain by the time we get to the late morning hours along the coast. So really not expecting much in the way of accumulation. Further to the west over eastern Pennsylvania, there will be that threat for some steadier snow, some minor accumulations, and especially over the Poconos where we'll see a moderate snowfall potential, especially for your higher elevations. Now that low pressure system will push through the region and into the Canadian Maritimes by Monday morning. So by the time you get ready for the rush hour on Monday, most of this precipitation, if not all of it, will be gone. So for the most part, again, for Sunday, because I know everyone's getting ready for the Super Bowl and have plans to go out, for much of the region, this is just rain, okay? For the Poconos, you'll see a wet snow, and the higher you are in elevation, the more snow you will see. But again, this is not a major snowstorm event for the region. On Sunday, forgot to mention the temperatures, I apologize. Sunday, look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s and highs in the lower to mid 40s. On Monday, temperatures will be free falling throughout the day. Your high temperatures will be in the morning in the lower to mid 30s, and then they will fall through the 30s and into the 20s as cold air builds in. On Tuesday, high pressure will sit over the region with clear skies and tranquil weather conditions. Look for lows in the lower to mid 20s, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. On Wednesday, that high pressure system exits off the coast, warm air takes hold. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 30s for lows and mid to upper 50s for highs. Now, look for this low pressure system to move through Wednesday night into Thursday morning with periods of showers, and that's going to lead to chilly weather conditions on Thursday with breezy weather as well. Look for lows in the mid 20s, highs in the mid to upper 30s, and on Friday, high pressure and complete control. Light and variable winds, clear skies, a bit chilly, lows in the lower to mid 20s, highs in the mid to upper 30s. That's your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.